Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we'll be changing the chain on this 20-volt BAUER pole saw, and the chain required is a 8-inch R33 chain. So let's go ahead and get that done, guys. Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all had a great Christmas, and I wish y'all a prosperous new year when it comes. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. You all are greatly appreciated. So let's go ahead and get it done, guys. So first, guys, we'll remove this cover. We unscrew this. And for this job, you'll also need this chainsaw, spark plug, and chain removal tool. It's basically a flathead screwdriver, guys. If you do not have the tool, you can use a long enough screwdriver so you can adjust the chain right here with this screw. So we just want to clean up everything, guys, and we remove the chain by taking it off with the bar. And also, guys, you can see here, this is the direction that the chain will be installed, so you want to look at that carefully so that you install the chain correctly. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, guys, and we get the chain installed. Okay guys, now that we got everything cleaned up, it also shows you the chain direction right here. And this is for the BAUER 20-volt pole saw. Maybe on all different brands they do the same, but this is for the BAUER 20-volt pole saw, guys. So here's your adjusting screw, and we'll just adjust that a bit back in, so when we install our new chain, we'll have the correct tension. We'll still need to adjust it, guys. Okay guys, so here's our new chain. So you want the side with the lettering and everything facing out, guys. So now we can go ahead, guys, and look at our chain and see that it goes this way. So we will install that onto our bar. then we can sit this onto the gear, and we have to adjust just a bit more so that the bar will sit onto that adjuster. Here we go, guys. So now we can go ahead and reinstall our cover and then make any necessary adjustments. And for the cover, you want to make sure that the tabs lined up if you have any around here, and make sure everything sits flush. Then we can install our cap or locking nut. So we definitely need to add some tension to this, guys. So we'll just turn the screw into the clockwise direction. Until we get the desired tension. I think that should be good right there, guys. Probably can just do a bit more. That is it. So you want to also make sure to check your bar oil, guys. And on this you can see we have a gauge right here where we can see our oil level. So okay, guys, please make sure that your chain is properly installed. I kind of came off track there, so my chain came off, but just make sure that you got everything in correctly, everything tightened down, and the tension you can adjust with or without the cover. So thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.